Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So in today's video I have some special headphones to show you all. They're wireless headphones but not any ordinary one. These headphones offer an insane 30 hours of battery life. That is awesome, right? I've never seen headphones that offer this high battery backup. I'm really excited to check them out. They're made by Leaf and the model is called as Beast. These wireless headphones offer deep bass. You can see a picture of the product here. They come in carbon black color. The Leaf Beast have an over-the-head design and support Bluetooth version 4.1. Now let's turn over the box and check out the specs of this product. The Leaf Beast have 40mm drivers, 32 ohm impedance, the frequency response range is from 20Hz to 20 kHz and come with an aux cable of 1.2 meters. So those were some of its specs. The company gives you 1 year of warranty with the product, and talking about the price, these wireless headphones cost about 2,800 rupees online. So that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank Leaf for sending me this product for review. One more nice thing is the box opens up like this and you've got a lot of info over here. On the left you've got all the features of the product, and on the right side there's a window through which you can check out the headphones. Pretty cool, right? Alright, let's open the box and take the headphones out. So here they are, the Leaf wireless headphones. They come packed on this tray. Let me take them out and show you. So this is how the Beast wireless headphones look like. From my first impressions, I have to tell the build quality looks very nice. We'll check them out in a moment. First, let me also show you what do we get in this packet. You get some paperwork, it's a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. Along with that, you get a USB cable for charging the headphones and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable to use the headphones even in wired mode. These were all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's check out the headphones. So these are the Leaf Beast wireless over-the-ear headphones. They come in carbon black color and weigh about 190 grams. Talking about the build quality is very nice. You've got the Leaf logo on both the ear cups and love the chamfered edges around it. It's made of high quality plastic and has a matte finishing on the top. The ear cups can be swiveled and adjusted like this, so it's easy for storage. And talking about the headband is of good quality. You've got the Leaf logo here. It's made of leather and the cushioning is nice. It feels soft and comfortable. You've got the left and right indicators inside the ear cups, and the headband can also be extended like this, so it can fit almost any head size. The ear cups are also of good quality. They're made of leather, the cushioning feels soft and looks really durable. Now let me show you the controls on it. You've got 3 buttons on the left ear cup: volume up, media play pause and volume down buttons. Below that there's a LED status indicator, a micro USB port for charging, a 3.5mm aux port and a microphone. So these are all the controls on it. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Leaf Beast headphones are quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. They're also sweat proof, so you can even use them during workouts, and the noise isolation is also good on them. Now coming to the audio quality, the mids were crisp and clear, the vocal quality was nice, but what I felt was there was no treble in the music. The high frequency response was very low on it. And coming to the bass was good and punchy. On the overall, I felt the audio quality was average. Talking about the total harmonic distortion, the distortion was low up to 85% volume level, and beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio. The audio output was satisfactory. These headphones also have a microphone on them, and the mic quality was good during call conversations. Coming to the battery life, this is the best part about these headphones. They have an amazing battery life. On an average, I was getting about 25 hours of music playtime at 75% volume level. That is insane, guys. These headphones offer the highest battery life I've seen in this price point. And one more awesome thing is, it supports fast charging. A 20-minute charge will give you about 5 hours of music playtime. And charging it completely from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my review on the Leaf Beast wireless headphones. They're good headphones, the build quality is nice, can be used both in wired and wireless modes, and the battery backup is also excellent. The only thing they could do is improve the audio quality a bit, especially the high frequencies. Rest everything else was fine. It costs about 2,800 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.